नमस्कार, पोया अपडेट खबरो. राजकारणाचो वीट आयला. राजकारण सोडपाचो विचार. पर्रीकाराक पणजे डिस्टर्ब करचो ना. लोकसभा वेंचणुकेत काँग्रेसी खातीर प्रचार केलो ना. बाबूश मोन्सेराताची सनसनाटी मुलाखत. गोंय पुलिसांचे एटीएस विभागाक सरकाराचो बावटो. नवो डीजीपी म्हणटा वर्सा भितर एटीएस सुरू. गोंयांत आतंकवादी हल्लो जावंक शकता. डीजीपी करता मान्य. पळयात खासा मुलाखत. नरेगांतल्या स्कॅमाच्या आरोपाचेर आरडीएच्या खुलाशान परिवर्तन मंचान उतरां गिळ्ळी. वेल्यान मागलो सेलिब्रिटींच्या रजिस्ट्रेशनाचेर खुलासो. आरडीए म्हणटा रजिस्ट्रेशनूय डमीच. लोकसभा वेंचणुकेत गोंयांत काँग्रेसीक काम केलें ना म्हूण वालांकाक काँग्रेस पिट्टा. चर्चिलाचो आरोप. प्रतिमा आनी मनमोहन सिंगाचेर कारवाय कित्याक ना? चर्चिलाचो प्रस्न. आनी वाळपय रेडेघाट एक्सिडेंटात एकलो गेलो. मोटरसायकलवाल्याक धपको दिवन बस आनी ड्रायव्हर फुज्जो. बसीची म्हायती दिवनय पुलिसांनी कांयच हालचाल केली ना. लोक चाळवले. खबरो विस्तारान. आपल्याक राजकारणाचो वीट आयला. मदीं मदीं राजकारण सोडपाचो विचार मनात येता अशें सांगून बाबूश मोन्सेरातान प्रुडंटाक दिल्ल्या खासा मुलाखतीत बॉम्ब घालो. ताळगांवची पंचायत वेंचणूक 10-8 फरकान जिखतकर ताणें ही खासा मुलाखत दिली. आपूण पर्रीकाराक पणजे डिस्टर्ब करचो ना आनी तो आपल्याक डिस्टर्ब करूंक शकना असो ताजो दावो. लोकसभा वेंचणुकेत आपणे काँग्रेसीचो प्रचार केलो ना हें ताणें स्पश्ट मान्य केलें. बाबूशाची ही सनसनाटी मुलाखत तुमकां आज सांजे 7:30 आनी 9:30 पळोवंक मेळटली.
बाबूश मोन्सेरातान लोकसभा इलेक्शनाक बीजेपीक हेल्प केलो म्हणून मनोहर पर्रीकारान पंचायत इलेक्शनाक बाबूश मोन्सेराताक हेल्प केलो. तुमचे दोगी जाणांचें सेटिंग जाल्लें
ना. सेटिंग जावपाचें आय हॅव गॉट टू सी as far as development is concerned, as far as our constituencies are concerned, I will fight with anyone to get what is due to us. One thing is very clear. This is not a personal fight between me and Parrikar. We don't have any personal enmities as such. Why should I give basically credit of this victory to someone else? I have not called any leaders. I am always telling you, Congress is the ocean. Congress may be not needing me. So same thing I would like to say, I also don't need anyone.
But in a way you are agreeing that you did not campaign for Congress as vigorously as you campaigned for Panchayat election.
I have not told them to vote for either.
But politically you support each other. Somehow you don't want a discomfort with Manohar Parrikar.
Maybe both of us have liking towards each other. I think the Chief Minister is fine. He has got support in Panjim, and I don't feel anyone can disturb him in Panjim.
So you are saying that inquire it and close that chapter once and for all.
Everyone is open for inquiry. I am not bothered. I will never get cowed down by anyone's threat. I am not that person who will come. I am ready to take the bull by its horn. In fact, to tell you frankly, I want to give up politics. I am a serious. No. I don't know. I just want to give up. In fact.
सरकारान गोंय पुलिसांचो आतंकवाद विरोधी फाटो म्हळ्यार एटीएसाक बावटो दाखयला. वर्सा भितर हो विभाग सुरू जातलो अशें नवो डीजीपी TN मोहन सांगता. यासीन भटकळ वकासा सारकेले खाबे आतंकवादी गोंयांत रावन गेले आनी तांची सुरक्षा एजन्सीक जाग माग लागली ना ही खबर प्रुडंटान NIAच्या चार्जशीटांतल्यान उक्ताडार हाडिल्ली. गोंयांत आतंकवादी हल्लो जावंक शकता हे गोंयचो डीजीपी मान्य करता. पळयात मुकेश कुमाराकडे डीजीपीची खासा मुलाखत.
Recently, I was going through charge sheet filed by NIA before the Delhi court. Yasin Bhatkal, Pakistani terrorist Waqas, and his close associates were coming to Goa and they were hiding here. Not only hiding, they were experimenting with explosives. And we feel that Goa police internal intelligence, local intelligence has failed. So what is your take on this?
See, whether it was regarding Bhatkal or whether it is regarding Waqas and others, it would be too harsh to say that it was a top failure of the Goa police intelligence, because such intelligence activities, they require, as I said, very great coordinated effort at a national level, number one. And number two, the amount of resources that you would require to mount such intelligence operations is very heavy. It is not a one-day effort. It cannot be, by accident you might detect somebody, but otherwise, if you really want to throw a net and keep the net active so that it doesn't repeat itself, it needs a very major effort. And as I said, it requires very heavy commitment of resources, which we obviously won't have. And the kind of intelligence backup that we would require would be a national effort. It wouldn't be an effort from a small unit like that of the Goa Police. Having said that, we have noted this aspect as a lesson for ourselves, and we have taken a few steps within our parameters to orient ourselves towards prevention of such incidents in the future.
Goa Police doesn't have a specific anti-terrorist squad type of team. So do you think it is required, or you are able to manage within the existing departments?
Obviously, Goa requires an ATS. Goa certainly is extremely vulnerable because of its particular position, its particular characteristics, and its prominence as an international holiday destination. It would be very attractive for foreign elements to try and hit us here, because we are a soft target because of our characteristics. Therefore, it is very much necessary that we strengthen our anti-terror capabilities. The correct position is that the ATS has only been recently sanctioned by the government. ATS was set up. The ATS as a police station has been sanctioned. So the good news is that it is required and the government has sanctioned it, and we are going in for recruitments. Soon we expect that the ATS would be recruited, and in a year or so we would be able to, fully activate it and deploy it.
लोकसभा वेंचणुकेंत गोंयांत काँग्रेसी खातीर काम करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान काँग्रेस वालांका आलेमावाक पिट्टा म्हूण चर्चिलान आरोप केला. काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी प्रतिमा कुतिनोचो घोव बीजेपीक वावुरता. प्रधानमंत्री मनमोहन सिंगाचो सावत्र भाव बीजेपीत गेला. काँग्रेस मनमोहन सिंगाचेर कारवाय कित्याक करिना असो चर्चिलाचो प्रस्न चर्चिलान प्रदेशाध्यक्ष जॉनाचेरय फोग काडलो.
प्रायम मिनिस्टरान इंडियाचो ते गेलो बापूल भाव हाब्रादराचो हिंगा दालजीत सिंग म्हूण मोदीच कितें हेंग मात तेका हेंग मान तेका सारकें ऑल हें बी घाल भितर. आतां जॉनाक मागता हांव प्रायम मिनिस्टराचेर कितें एक्शन घेता तो गेले ते फावटी प्रतिमा यूथ काँग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट आहा तेगे गो टीएमसीचे बसता दिगंबर कामताचेर आनी यूथ काँग्रेसाचेर एक नांव दिवना कांय ना खबर ना. आतां चोय आतां हें आतां तेजे बरें काल बसोल थिंगा तेजे कसो गरज तेका पार्टीन न्हू तेणें कितें केल्यार तेका गरज आहा ते पार्टी प्रतिमा गरज आहा तेका कितें केल्यार तेका तें जाय. आतां सारको ओपन तो हेजे बसोल मरे प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर बसला ओपन ते लोकां सांगला बीजेपी घाले मोट तेजें कितें एक्शन आहा.
आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसव.